Did you wake up this morning with a strange dream? Have you wondered if this means anything? Instead of Googling, "What does falling dream mean?" I'll show you the 3-step protocol I use to understand what your brain is trying to tell you in 10 minutes. But I will explain it to you in less than 3 minutes. Let's start. For Jung, dreams are not omens. They are your inner psychologist sending you a letter in the language of symbols. The key is not to look for answers in a dream book, but to translate this language into your life. And now I'll show you how. When you wake up, grab your phone or a notebook and just capture the raw data. Write it down like a reporter. Who was there? What happened? Where were you? And most importantly, what were the dominant emotions? Were you terrified, excited, confused? The emotion is the compass pointing to what's important. This will take 90 seconds. Don't analyze, just write it down. Choose one strongest symbol from your dream, for example, broken car. Ask yourself 2 questions. What does this mean to me? For example, a car is my freedom. What could this mean universally? For example, a vehicle is a metaphor for life's journey. Match the answers. Broken car equals something is blocking your freedom on life's path. Now, the most important thing, what one thing can I do today to respond to this message? It's not about big changes, about micro actions. For example, spend 15 minutes thinking about where in life I feel trapped. Now, you have the basic dream protocol. Save the raw data. Decipher the symbol. Find a micro action. Take your last dream and apply it now. Then come back here and write "Dreams Decoded" in the comments. I want to know what you discovered. If you need more explanation, write it in a comment and I will create a video for you explaining this issue. And in the next episode, we will go a step further. I will show you how to program dreams to get answers to specific questions. This will be your direct call to the unconscious.